Hi, my friends. So today we're going to make okazi soup, another interesting native soup. You don't want to miss this. So I put my cow tripe. So for this kind of soup, personally, I like to go with the organ meat. You know what I mean? Just something out of the ordinary. Let's just put it that way. So I'm using some snails. That's what I just put in there. And seasoning these ones, okay? So I just put some of my choice seasonings, put some salt, everything in moderation, and just go ahead and throw in your own kind of seasoning. So in this particular paste I put here, it was ginger, garlic, onions, pepper, and some dry fish that I blended together. So that's the mixture you saw there. I'm looking for that native flavor, okay? And then I also put some I also blended in that mixture some fermented locust beans, okay? Those who know would know what I'm talking about and they'll understand the taste that I'm looking for, okay? So I just went ahead, and then I put some of the dry fish, like I blended some and I'm putting some like this so that we can have, a bit of it when eating. So when that got steamed, I now put in my smoked turkey. That's what I'm putting in here right now. Like I said, when I'm making this kind of soup, I go for the not everyday kind of meat, if you understand what I mean. Goat meat will also be nice for this kind of soup, and at the end of the day, it's your choice. So just go with the protein that you like. So these are my choice of proteins, and I like to do assorted, different kinds. I don't do one particular one. Okay, again, personal preference, personal choice. Okay, so I added the smoked turkey and I'm putting some prawns, some really giant size prawns, fresh ones. And I added also some other spices. I think that one was a spice. And here I'm adding, I think I added the African nutmeg, and so here I am adding some crayfish. So whatever I added I'll put on the screen for you guys, okay? So I added some crayfish and allow it to simmer. Crayfish, and here I'm also adding more of the fermented locust beans. We call it iru. Those from Nigeria, the Yorubas, they call it iru, so we all know it as iru, but it's fermented locust beans. So I just covered it and I like to steam a little bit. So here it was just simmering and steaming, and the aroma was exactly what I'm looking for. So here I now added my thickener. So here is open-ended. Add any thickening or any soup thickener of your choice. But what I did here, I mixed palm oil with 2 tablespoonfuls of multi-purpose flour. Yes, you heard me. That's what I used to thicken this soup. There are different kinds of soup thickeners, so use whatever you like to thicken. Just use whatever you like or whatever you can handle to thicken your soup. So what we're looking for is to make it to be a little bit thick, not watery, if you understand what I mean. Okay, so because we preach no waste, I try to scoop every from the plate, okay? So we stir so that they can all have a Zoom meeting together. I'm so excited. This soup gave me joy. When I was making this soup, it was fun, especially the assorted. And then here comes the paid actor for the day, the special guest appearance, okazi. Okazi, everybody say okazi. I'm going to write the English name of this vegetable for us on the screen, okay? So that are not added just sparingly, and again it is open-ended. You can choose any vegetable of your choice, or you can decide to make it vegetable-less. It's up to you. And here is me with my special fufu by the side, and look at that soup. Hey, you're salivating. Hey, don't lick your screen. yes, let your food be your medicine. Make sure your food is your medicine. Eat well, stay well. Eat healthy and stay healthy. This food, he went to Harvard. This soup, this soup is a professor. He went to Harvard. He has PhD. What will you not see in this soup? After eating this soup, go and check your blood, your hemoglobin. It will be hitting 100 plus. I'm telling you. Okay. So if you have watched up until this time, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click that red button in front of you there and click the bell sign. That way, anytime I post a video, you will get a notification. Okay, let me go back to my soup. Oh, this was too yummy.